This that will. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it.
What's going on, Fox? This is your boy, Sneaker Fox, aka TKO. Appreciate y'all tuning in for another dope sneaker review. I appreciate everyone that's supported me, followed me, liked, commented, subscribed over the years. I definitely appreciate y'all. So, what we're going to get into today is an exclusive Puma.com release. And yep, these are Puma RS Dreamer J.Cole collaboration. These right here are the actual E-line, which dropped Friday of last week. So before we actually get into the review of the sneaker, we're going to do a little background story on how they came about with this colorway. Like I said, these are called the E-line. Now the E-line is a train in New York City that runs from Jamaica, Queens up to Manhattan. If you're not a J. Cole fan, here's a little story for you. He's from Charlotte, North Carolina. He's from Fayetteville, North Carolina, sorry. And he moved to New York to pursue school and a music career. He went to St. John's University, which is in Queens. And he would get back and forth between Queens and Manhattan by using the E-line, which is the reason why they call these sneakers the E-line. Now, the color of the sneaker is a blue colored sneaker, if you haven't seen it already. And the reason why it's a blue colored sneaker is because on the E-line, the symbol for the E-line, it's a blue circle with a white E in the middle of that circle for the E-line, which is a reason for the colorway. So now let's take a look at the sneaker so you can see why they went with that blue colorway. So typical RS Dreamer box, one of the best boxes out. You gotta love Puma how they wrap up their sneakers. You gotta love it. So it's like a Christmas gift. So take the paper out, another layer of paper, and another layer of paper. So let's go ahead, check it out. We're just gonna look at one sneaker. Both sneakers are the same, so it's no difference. Here we go. As you can see, it is a blue sneaker. So let's give you guys that 360 look. There you go. I'm not going to go too much into the sneaker, and this is not going to be a long, drawn-out video. There's a bunch of RS Dreamer videos. It's been out for a little over a year now. Same material, nothing different. Got the mesh upper. It's entirely blue. I would say it's like a navy blue color. We got the midsole, which is also a navy blue color as well. And to kind of, make the sneaker pop and add a little life to the sneaker, we got the blue teal suede right here. And then also on this side as well, we got the blue teal suede here as well. And then we also on the midsole have that blue teal form strip on there as well. Got blue laces on the tongue. We have the RSD, which is RS Dreamer, RS, and then we have the D in that teal colorway as well. On the heel, we have the blue pull tab, and it has that reflector on there as well, the 3M. And then we have the Dreamer logo right here on the back. On the toe, blue, and we also have that 3M reflector right here as well. Like I said, we got the blue midsole all the way around, and then the outsole is also a blue outsole, and then we have that teal form strip there as well. Overall, this is definitely a dope sneaker, very creative, especially, with the story with the E-line being blue for the symbol and having the all blue sneaker was definitely dope. So let me know what you guys think about the sneaker. Leave those comments. Make sure you like the video if you like the video. Remember, these can only be purchased on Puma.com. So if you want to get the sneaker, run over to Puma.com. They're not on any other site. These are a Puma.com exclusive. So if you want to purchase these, make sure you go to Puma.com. If you're out of the country, you can't order these, let me know and we can work it out. You can follow me on Instagram. If you already follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM at @TheRealSneakerFox, @TheRealSneakerFox, and send me a message. I'll also be doing some fits with this, so if you want to see how these look with different fits. Definitely make sure you do follow me at The Real Sneaker Fox. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. I do have a TikTok. It's at Sneakers and the Fox. At Sneakers and the Fox. So make sure you follow me there on TikTok. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button. Appreciate the support. Once again, these are the Puma, J.Cole, RS Dreamer E line. And I like these. I dig them. So y'all be safe out there. Stay tuned for the next video. If this is your first time checking me out, subscribe and go back and check out an abundance of other videos that I have as well. Y'all take care. Be safe. I'm out.
This that will. Whip it, whip it, whip it.